Hello guys, today is 28th March. I want to show you how this new expert advisor is working. Let me select only today, 28th. As you can see, I have $174. Let me show you also, I started with a negative trade. It was opened yesterday and I keep it open to see what happens. As you can see, it is negative, but even so, today it was a good day so far. Please take a look at the trades. I have also negative ones, but what is very important, this one, the final result, it is 174. I will keep it for another half hour, and after that I will pause the algo trading. Also, please note, you need to delete the pending orders. You go to the trade here and you will click on the X. Right now I do not have any trade because the range is too big. But if you want to change also this value, you can do it from the settings here, maximum range. If I will change it to 6,000 or more, it will start trading again. So for today it is quite good. I will keep it for another half hour and then I will close it for today. Thank you very much.